Okay, there has been a noise, a really annoying noise that has been coming from outside somewhere, and as you can, I think you can hear it better if I open this window. Hear that? Oh. I'm gonna go find out what it is. So, got my shoes out, and I'm gonna go inside and see what this annoying noise is. Okay, well, it's coming from over here. It's not my dad's car. Nope. Is it this car? How could it even be coming from a car anyways? What is this? Maybe, wait. No, it's getting louder though. The juggling balls. Is it this car? Now it's getting faster. What is this, a bomb? Watch out. Maybe it's that house. Is it that thing? Why is it getting faster? I'm about to go up there. Fuck, dude. No way. It's this thing. What do I do about it? Should I go get these people to stop this? Well, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'll put this in my pocket. No one's picking up. Turn it off. Ah, that is so. What, dude? What? Oh my god. It's like this smoke alarm is making this huge noise that's annoying, and I don't know what to do about it. I mean, I could break it. I don't know if breaking it is the right idea, though. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this.